Hello, young artists. Get ready to draw a charming snowman house. Grab your paper and let's create something amazing. Start with a rectangle for the house base. Add a triangle on top for the roof, and trace it again to make it bold. Inside the big triangle, sketch a smaller one. This is the roof's top. Draw a rectangle window with crisscross lines, and a cute little door. Now, on the roof, add smaller windows. Don't forget the chimney, picture a bit of smoke rising. Time to color. Use blue for the roof, door, windows, and chimney. Dark brown for the roof. Light brown for walls. Yellow paints the windows. And different greens make lively plants. Gray adds smoke to the chimney. Add detail with lines on the roof. Lastly, sketch delicate snowflakes around. Voila! You've made a cozy house for our snowman. Great job, artists! Remember, let your creativity shine. Keep up the wonderful work. Happy drawing!